Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Foodtech 360. In this video, we have solved Punjab Food Safety Officer exam previous year question paper. We have purposefully excluded some of the questions from general knowledge, mental ability, test of reasoning and current affairs. So watch the video till end. Without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. Enzyme responsible for browning of apple is options A. Alkaline phosphate, B. Lipase, C. Phenol oxidase, D. Pectinase. Correct answer C. Phenol oxidase. Question number 2. Onion peel is a rich source of options A. Lycopene, B. Quercetin, C. Carotene, D. Anthocyanin. Correct answer B. Quercetin. Question number 3. Major fruit sugar is options A. Glucose, B. Fructose, C. Lactose, D. Dextrose. Correct answer B. Fructose. Question number 4. Major organic acid contained in apple is options A. Citric acid, B. Tartaric acid, C. Malic acid, D. Ascorbic acid. Correct answer C. Malic acid. Question number 5. Lycopene is a natural antioxidant found in options A. Potato, B. Beans, C. Spinach, D. Tomato. Correct answer D. Tomato. Question number 6. Liver necrosis may be caused by the deficiency of options A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin D, C. Vitamin K, D. Vitamin E. Correct answer B. Vitamin D. Question number 7. Disease that causes intolerance to gluten is options A. Crohn's disease, B. Dermatitis, C. Rhinitis, D. Celiac disease. Correct answer D. Celiac disease. Question number 8. Which of the following nutrient is not found in food? Options A. Plasma, B. Carbohydrate, C. Protein, D. Fiber. Correct answer A. Plasma. Question number 9. Bacterial flagella is made up of options A. Microtubules, B. Tubulin, C. Flagellin, D. Spinin. Correct answer C. Flagellin. Question number 10. Which of the following acid will have higher bacteriostatic effect at a given pH? Options A. Malic acid, B. Tartaric acid, C. Citric acid, D. Acetic acid. Correct answer D. Acetic acid. Question number 11. Botulism is caused by options A. All Clostridium species, B. Clostridium tetani, C. Clostridium subtilis, D. Clostridium botulinum. Correct answer D. Clostridium botulinum. Question number 12. Which of the following microbes is used in the production of blue cheese? Options A. Streptococcus thermophilus, B. Lactobacillus bulgaricus, C. Penicillium roqueforti, D. Rhizopus stolonifer. Correct answer C. Penicillium roqueforti. Question number 13. A microbial kill of 99.99% is equivalent to options A. 2 log cycle, B. 4 log cycle, C. 6 log cycle, D. 3 log cycle. Correct answer B. 4 log cycle. Question number 14. Shredded cabbage is the starting product for which of the following fermented food? Options A. Sauerkraut, B. Pickles, C. Green olives, D. Sausage. Correct answer A. Sauerkraut. Question number 15. The crushed grapes used for wine manufacturing is also known as options A. Hop, B. Must, C. Pilsener, D. Port. Correct answer B. Must. Question number 16. Which among the following is called as filamentous bacteria? Options A. Mycoplasma, B. Spirochetes, C. Actinomycetes, D. Vibrio. Correct answer C. Actinomycetes. Question number 17. Salmonellosis involves options A. An enterotoxin and exotoxin, B. Enterotoxin and cytotoxin, C. An exotoxin and cytotoxin, D. A cytotoxin only. Correct answer B. Enterotoxin and cytotoxin. Question number 18. Aflatoxin is produced by options A. Aspergillus species, B. Salmonella species, C. Fusarium species, D. Streptococcus species. Correct answer A. Aspergillus species. Question number 19. Cereal grains are deficient in options A. Methionine, B. Isoleucine, C. Leucine, D. Lysine. Correct answer D. Lysine. Question number 20. For bread making, flour should have a protein content of options A. 8 to 10%, B. 10 to 12%, C. 12 to 14%, D. Greater than 14%. Correct answer B. 10 to 12%. Question number 21. Blanching of vegetable prior to freezing is done to Options A. Maintain color. B. Improve texture. C. Prevent microbial activity. D. All of these. Correct answer D. All of these. Question number 22. Durum wheat is suitable for production of options A. Bread. B. Biscuits. C. Chapati. D. Pasta. Correct answer D. Pasta. Question number 23. Which of the following is a gluten-free cereal? Options A. Wheat. B. Barley. C. Rice. D. Rye. Correct answer C. Rice. Question number 24. Fat content percentage of parboiled rice bran is options A. 14 to 20. B. 15 to 30. C. 18 to 25. D. 15 to 35. Correct answer A. 14 to 20%. Question number 25. Polishing of rice is done to remove options A. Bran. B. Husk. C. Germ. D. Endosperm. Correct answer A. Bran. Question number 26. Addition of water to grains prior to milling is called as options A. Pearling. B. Polishing. C. Conditioning. D. Gristing. Correct answer C. Conditioning. Question number 27. Chalkiness in rice is attributed to options A. High moisture at harvesting. B. Low moisture at harvesting. C. Mature kernels. D. None of these. Correct answer A. High moisture at harvesting. Question number 28. The chief muscle pigment is options A. Myoglobin. B. Myoerythrin. C. Myocyanin. D. Myocholine. Correct answer A. Myoglobin. Question number 29. The objective of heating milk to about 65 degrees Celsius before homogenization is to inactivate options A. Invertases. B. Lactases. C. Lipases. D. Glucose oxidases. Correct answer C. Lipases. Question number 30. The pigment in the muscle which acts as a vehicle for oxygen storage is options A. Hemoglobin. B. Myoglobin. C. Metmyoglobin. D. Methemoglobin. Correct answer B. Myoglobin. Question number 31. Role of common salt in curing of meat is options A. To fix the color of meat. B. To provide desirable flavor. C. To guard against rancidity. D. To improve the water binding quality of meat. Correct answer B. To provide desirable flavor. Question number 32. Chicken is classified in the basis of options A. Fat content. B. Protein content. C. Age of the bird. D. Size of the bird. Correct answer C. Age of the bird. Question number 33. Fish proteins are more digestible than the meat proteins because options A. Amount of connective tissues present is more. B. The amount of connective tissues present is less. C. The amount of muscle fibers present is more. D. The amount of muscle fibers present is less. Correct answer B. The amount of connective tissues present is less. Question number 34. Cereal and rice based diets is supplemented with fish because fish is options A. Deficient in lysine and methionine. B. Rich in lysine and methionine. C. More digestible than other fish. D. Less digestible. Correct answer B. Rich in lysine and methionine. Question number 35. Primary bacterial spoilage of poultry meat at low temperature with characteristic sliminess at outer surface is caused by options A. Pseudomonas species. B. Aspergillus species. C. Bacillus species. D. Candida species. Correct answer A. Pseudomonas species. Question number 36. Which of the following method of fish liver oil extraction gives more yield? Options A. Solvent extraction. B. Auto fermentation. C. Method of steaming. D. Method of chemical digestion. Correct answer A. Solvent extraction. Question number 37. The main reason for blanching fruits and vegetables is options A. To make them soft. B. To inactivate enzymes. C. For long-term preservation of the products. D. To prevent bacterial action. Correct answer B. To inactivate enzymes. Question number 38. Bitterness in citrus fruit juices is due to options A. Limonene. B. Hesperidin. C. Naringin. D. All of the above. Correct answer A. Limonene. Question number 39. Red color of tomato is due to options A. Carotenoids. B. Limonene. C. Lycopene. D. Fructose. Correct answer C. Lycopene. Question number 40. Non-enzymatic browning is known as options A. Oxidation. B. Maillard browning. C. Caramelization. D. None of these. Correct answer B. Maillard browning. Question number 41. TSS of tomato ketchup should not be less than options A. 25 degree Brix. B. 30 degree Brix. C. 20 degree Brix. D. 20 to 23 degree Brix. Correct answer A. 25 degree Brix. Question number 42. By keeping food cold, the growth of microorganisms is options A. Increased. B. Minimized. C. Not changed. D. Completely stopped and killed. Correct answer B. Minimized. Question number 43. The undesirable change in a food that make it unfit for human consumption is referred to as options A. Food decay. B. Food spoilage. C. Food loss. D. All of these. Correct answer B. Food spoilage. Question number 44. Pathogenic bacteria are options: A. Harmless bacteria, B. Disease causing bacteria, C. Friendly bacteria, D. None of these. Correct answer B. Disease causing bacteria. Question number 45. Basic requirements for microbial growth include options: A. Water, favorable osmotic pressure, B. Temperature, pH, C. Light, oxygen, D. All of these. Correct answer D. All of these. Question number 46. A corrugated fiberboard carton holding several units of canned fruits is an example of options: A. Primary packaging, B. Secondary packaging, C. Tertiary packaging, D. Quaternary packaging. Correct answer B. Secondary packaging. Question number 47. Which of the following packaging material is inert, transparent, heat processable? Options: A. Paper, B. Plastic, C. Glass, D. Metal. Correct answer C. Glass. Question number 48. Major ingredient for manufacture of glass is options: A. Soda, B. Lime, C. Alumina, D. Silica. Correct answer D. Silica. Question number 49. What is the weight of paper per unit area called? Options: A. Grammage, B. Sammage, C. Tampage, D. Weightage. Correct answer A. Grammage. Question number 50. Tetra Pak is an example of which of the following packaging material? Options: A. Paper, B. Plastic, C. Composite, D. Metal. Correct answer C. Composite. Question number 51. Any packaged food which does not conform to requirements under the PFA is deemed as options: A. Misbranding, B. Mismatching, C. Misguiding, D. Misleading. Correct answer A. Misbranding. Question number 52. Which of the following is true about death time curve method to sterilize canned foods? Options: A. It tells us the time and temperature to sterilize canned food. B. It tells us about the heat penetration of the container. C. It tells us about the heat conductivity of the container. D. All of these. Correct answer D. All of these. Question number 53. In the history of packaging of food industry, which among these was never a material of packaging? Options: A. Bakelite, B. Pottery and vases, C. Iron and tin plated steel, D. Ceramic. Correct answer D. Ceramic. Question number 54. Which harmful component can be found in PET bottles? Options: A. Lead, B. Aluminium, C. Phthalates, D. Styrene monomers. Correct answer D. Phthalates. Question number 55. Which of the following packaging material is chemically inert? Options: A. Glass, B. Metal, C. Paper, D. Plastic. Correct answer A. Glass. Question number 56. Which of the following food item is hypersensitive according to Kodak standards? Options: A. Cereals, B. Nuts, C. Milk products, D. All of these. Correct answer D. All of these. Question number 57. What is HACCP system for? Options: A. Physical, chemical and biological hazards, B. A systematic analysis of all steps and regular monitoring of the control points, C. Identifying the CCPs including their location, procedure and process, D. Accurately monitoring food hygiene hazards. Correct answer B. A systematic analysis of all steps and regular monitoring of the control points. Question number 58. As per the definition for food under the Food Act in India, food does not include options: A. Alcoholic beverages, B. Caffeinated beverages, C. Chewing gum, D. Chewing tobacco. Correct answer D. Chewing tobacco. Question number 59. ISO 14000 deals with options: A. Food industry, B. Environmental management, C. Pollution control, D. Population control. Correct answer B. Environmental management. Question number 60. Which of the following can be classified as physical hazard? Options: A. Glass piece in beverage bottle, B. Mold growth on surface of breadcrumb, C. Aflatoxins in roasted groundnut, D. All of the above. Correct answer A. Glass piece in beverage bottle. Question number 61. A company must be guard on against violations. This is covered under options: A. Inspection and safety insurance, B. Auditing, C. Product integrity, D. All of these. Correct answer C. Product integrity. Question number 62. The effort of quality assurance to little day-to-day jobs is related to which of the following sector? Options: A. Service, B. Vendors appraisal, C. Complaint handling, D. All of these. Correct answer A. Service sector. Question number 63. Which of the following is not covered under finished product quality assurance? Options: A. Finished product monitoring, B. Special finished product survey, C. Factory visits, D. None of these. Correct answer D. None of these. Question number 64. Which of the following is not recommended practice related to use by dates in pre-packed food? Options: A. It is found high risk foods likely to cause food poisoning, B. It is good practice to sell food past its use by date, C. The food should be disposed of immediately once it is past its use by date. D. None of these. Correct answer B. It is a good practice to sell food past its use by date. Question number 65. FSSAI has issued an advisory banning the use of which of the material for wrapping and packaging of food items. Options: A. Newspaper, B. Plastic, C. Polythene, D. None of these. Correct answer A. Newspaper. Question number 66. What is intercropping? Options: A. It is time period between two cropping seasons. B. It is growing of two or more crops in random mixture. C. It is growing of two or more crops in definite row patterns. D. It is growing of different crops on a piece of land in a pre-planned succession. Correct answer C. It is growing of two or more crops in definite row patterns. Question number 67. Which of the following is not an insecticide? Options: A. Parathion, B. Sodium chloride, C. Aldrin, D. Methoxychlore. Correct answer B. Sodium chloride. Question number 68. Which of the following can cause plant genes to move from one linkage group to another? Options: A. Inversion, B. Deletions, C. X-ray, D. Translocations. Correct answer D. Translocations. Question number 69. Barnal bunt is a disease of. Options: A. Barley crop, B. Wheat crop, C. Bajra crop, D. Jowar crop. Correct answer B. Wheat crop. Question number 70. Acid rain is caused by the emission of which gas into atmosphere? Options: A. Nitrogen, B. Argon, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Sulfur dioxide. Correct answer D. Sulfur dioxide. Question number 71. Black soil is ideal for cultivation of cotton as. Options: A. Its color is black, B. It can retain moisture, C. It is made up of lava, D. It is found on plateau regions. Correct answer B. It can retain moisture. Question number 72. Gir Sahiwal, Red Sindhi and Downy is the breed of. Options: A. Buffaloes, B. Sheep, C. Cows, D. Goat. Correct answer C. Cows. Question number 73. Seed that is changed every year is known as. Options: A. Breeder seed, B. Certified seed, C. Foundation seed, D. Hybrid seed. Correct answer D. Hybrid seed. Question number 74. Response of plants to changes in temperature is called. Options: A. Thermoperiodism, B. Vernalization, C. Photoperiodism, D. None of these. Correct answer A. Thermoperiodism. Question number 75. Annual maximum decay rate of leaf litter is found in. Options: A. Temperature deciduous forest, B. Tropical savanna grass, C. Lowland tropical rainforest, D. Temperature grasses. Correct answer C. Lowland tropical rainforest. If you have missed out the previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. Link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, like this video and share this information to your friends. To see more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video from us.